Nandam, this is Nag Advaitananda. Welcome back. Today I want to tell you one more thing. There are so many findings from all these temples and all the archaeologists that there were so many things not discovered. The gigantic people, 18 feet, 30 feet, the demons, the asuras, the devas, all of them lived here, and regular people. There are carvings of people having heels, handbags, and even hats, and Chinese people, Indian people, African people, giraffes, dinosaurs. All these are carved in the temples 500 to 2000 years back. So how is that they were able to carve without living all these things? In modern days we call it technology. Then ancient days, what was the technology? It was the power of third eye. The greatest yuhas, Satya Yuha. So much was there. The Krishtashila was in everybody's house and everybody could see it as a movie theater whenever they want, whatever they want, and talk to each other just by telekinesthetic, teleporting, and mind reading. They were able to do everything in the greatest possible way. There is so many instances that even the Gita has, Mahabharata and Ramayana has told us the greatest possibility of the women and the men in creating the greatest life around them. So, how did this happen? Can we create that? What a beautiful lifestyle. Let's start exploring that. That is Nityananda Gurukul. Global Gurukul is happening for you to log in and become part of the Gurukulam just from your house. What a great blessing Sadashiva has created. He created as the world has his Gurukul. So now from anywhere, anyone can become his own and manifest all Sadashiva's power, creating the same reality. Just download ACK app in your phone, Amar Chitrakatha, and see the possibilities. All the possibilities your kid should be manifesting. Otherwise, log in to Global Nityananda Gurukul and demand for it. Thank you, Nityanandam.